Hello everyone, today we are going on a bird watching expedition with this magical wooden puzzle. Check out these beautiful colorful birds. Grab your biggest smiles and get ready to have a bird tasting time. Hey, what's that? That looks like an eagle. He's looking for lunch. Check out our birds. They're scattering. Once the eagle is gone, can you help me find all missing birds? Great. I think it's flying away. So let's get started. Whoa, what a beautiful bird. This is a parrot. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, from South Africa to Australia. Parrots mostly eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. Almost half of all parrots in the world live in captivity as pets. Look at that handsome guy coming towards us. That's our missing parrot. Let's put it back on the board. Where does the parrot live? Do you see anywhere tropical in the nest? No, that's not tropical. The jungle? Let's see. Yes, perfect. Let's see what else we can find. Check out this bird. It's a raven. Ravens are completely black. Oh yes, black everything. Black feathers, black legs, black beaks, and even black eyes. Did you know that ravens are not very social? They tend to live alone or in pairs. Ravens live in the open and forest habitats across West and North Africa. Hey, look at that raven. Wait, it's coming this way. It's a missing raven. Let's put it back on the board. The raven, where does the raven go? In that little nest? No, in the big one? Yes, perfect. Let's find more animals. Oh wow, look at that graceful white bird. It's a swan. A swan is a member of the waterfowl family, so it lives near or on the water. It is one of the largest flying birds. The largest can weigh over 33 pounds. It looks like that swan is headed this way. It's a missing swan. Let's put it back on the board. Where does the swan go? Do you see a lake? Where's the lake? Up there? Nope, not in the bushes, not in the hollow. Where's the lake? Oh, yeah, there it is. Perfect. Let's find more birds. Look at that gorgeous peacock. Peacocks are male peafowls. They spread their colorful tail feathers to attract female peahens. Peacocks are omnivorous. They eat mostly plants and flowers, but they're also down on reptiles and amphibians if they find them. Wait, that big one is coming this way. It's our missing peacock. Let's put it back on the board. The peacock? Where does the peacock live? Palm tree? No, in the bushes? Do you think it's in the bushes? Let's see. Yes, perfect. Let's see what else we can find. Our next bird is an owl. Look at his large forward-facing eyes, his flat face, and his hawk-like beak. Did you know owls can turn their necks up to 270 degrees? That means they can literally see behind them. Owls are carnivores, so they can eat mostly insects and small rodents. But some have adapted to even hunt fish. Is that an owl looking at us? It's our missing owl. Let's put it back on the board. The owl. Where does the owl live? Do you see it in the farm? No, not in the farm. Not in the nest. Yes, in the hollow. Let's put it back in its house. Perfect. Let's go find more birds. Take a look at this colorful bird. It's a toucan. This type of bird lives mainly in tropical regions of Mexico, Central and South America. They eat mostly fruits, but they also eat an insect or lizard if the opportunity arises. These guys are highly social creatures. They live in groups of 20 or more. Hey, is that one flying toward us? It's our missing toucan piece. Let's put it back on the board. The toucan. Lives in a tropical place. Where do you see a tropical place? Where is it? Where is it? The palm tree? You think it's in the palm tree? Yes, Perfect, thank you so much. Let's look for more birds.
Look at these geese. Do you know that one is called a goose? More than one are geese. Geese are known to be migratory animals. This means they fly south in the winter and north in the summer. Hey, is that goose flying this way?
It's our missing goose piece. Let's put it back on the board.
The goose. Where does the goose live?
Where is his little house?
In the farm?
Yes, perfect. Yes, it's in the house.
What is that large bird?
Oh, that's just a turkey. Turkeys are native to North America. Turkeys were domesticated for food and feathers. While domesticated turkeys are considered flightless, that just means they can't fly. While turkeys are able to fly, but only for a short distance. Is this turkey coming towards us? It's our missing turkey. Let's put it back on the board. The turkey. Where does the turkey live? Is it up there? Yes, in the yard. Perfect. Have you seen a brown bird like this one? Well, this bird is called a sparrow. Sparrows are brown or gray, and if you look at their wings, you'll see non-visible feathers. They live from the Arctic tundra in North America all the way to southern South America. That means they can live in all kinds of habitats. Check out the sparrow! So Mrs. Sparrow, let's put it back on the board. Where does the sparrow go? Does he live in the nest or in the roof? Yes, in the nest. Go to your house, little guy. Let's find the last one. Oh, look what we have here. It's pigeons. I'm sure you've seen them. They live all over the world, even in large cities. They have stout bodies, short necks, and slender bills. They mainly eat seeds and fruits. Hey, watch out! That pigeon's coming towards us. It's our missing pigeon. Let's put it back on the board. And the pigeon. Where does the pigeon go? Yes, it's in the roof. Amazing, perfect. Oh wow, we finished the puzzle. We found all the missing puzzle pieces. Thank you for helping me. I hope you have fun on this bird adventure. Until next time. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.